Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to verify your Betfair account. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Betfair Exchange and click on this first link over here. Make sure you are logged into it, after which we get into interface like this. And click on your profile icon over here on the top right. And we need to scroll down, and under account details we can see verification option. Simply tap on this, and here we need to follow the steps of verification. You can upload any of the documents here. You can go for national ID, driving license or passport. Simply click on this and click on continue to secure upload. Now click on start verification. Now click on upload file. We need to choose the file to upload, and once the upload is done, it can take some time for the verification. Once your details we have provided is verified, your account will finally be verified. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.